Okay, it's coffee with Barry time. So I got a real quickie. I know I always say I got a quickie, but this one is really quick. It is so simple. And the cool part is, where are we going to use it, right? Last video, uh, the response has been overwhelming. And I cannot believe what an idiot I am. Like, such obvious tunes to put this stuff in. And I couldn't think of it. And I don't know. Please share with me if that's if some of you struggle with that too. It's like I can never think of a tune when I need a tune. But I actually spent a little time before hitting the record button thinking of a few tunes, but the rest of it's going to be stream of consciousness. So let's see what happens. Okay, so today's concept is what I call, I love coming up with names for Barry things. I call it the tritone double sus. Tritone double sus. And it's real simple. If we're in the people's key of C, which I know it does have political overtones, according to some of you. So I guess the people's key of C is a red color. Anyway, you're in the key of C. You're doing C7, and you're gonna hit the sus4 F. Then you're gonna hit the tritone of C, F sharp, and it's sus4. So you end up with 2/4 a tritone apart, and then both susses resolve at the same time. And you end up with an F7 flat 5. Sorry, a C7 flat 5. Here it is again. And then very easy to resolve to F major from there. And I'm using the rule, the second rule. For more on this, look at the 6-chord rules video, which will be linked in the description. A C6, which is really an F major 7 with a 9, using a C6 shape. So here it is again. Now, since it's got a tritone in it, you could also resolve to B, because a C7 flat 5 is an F sharp 7 flat 5. I just realized something. You can substitute it both ways. So look at this. I could do this C7, and I could move to F. I could do this C7, but I could think of it as an F sharp and resolve to B. One more time. F. B. By the same token, those same two keys can be accessed from F sharp 7. Right? B and C. What am I doing? F, I mean. It's a C6. So the possibilities are endless. So the way Barry's favorite example for this, or I can't speak for him, but the one that he uses in class a lot is I Should Care. You know, I have no idea what I'm doing. I should care. So he'll throw it on the F7. He'll say, another good place to use it. But it just doesn't get me. Can it work here? Again, I'm overusing it to make a point. But this tritone relationship is also pretty astonishing. I was playing around with All the Things You Are, and look at how you can use it. So we have you are. Now, I could do E flat 7. Promised kiss of springtime. And then a quick. That makes. Now, I want to get to C. I'm already on G7's tritone. The winter seemed long. So you see that you never even have to move. You are. Now. Promise kiss of springtime. No, that was so wrong. You are. Yeah, it's E. Promise kiss of springtime. E flat. That's what I did. Okay, I got you. Now. That makes the lonely winter seem long. Then you do it in E flat. You are the blessed ushers of evening that makes that trembles on the brink of a lovely song. That's so pretty. Now you could also do the other tritone way. So if I did E flat 7 and I crawled my way down to C, I could just as easily do A7 and crawl my way down to the tritone of C. You see what I'm saying? So let's try that. So I'll go, you are the promised kiss of springtime. Now I'm going to D flat and I'm on A flat 7. That makes the lonely winter seem long. So there's the other way. You are. Did I do the tritone this time? I think so. The blessed heart. So I'm gonna do this one. The blessed heart. Breathless, not blessed. Breathless hush of evening. No, wrong. That tremble. See, it's confusing. You don't have to think the tritone. One you think the tritone, one you think the regular one. You know what I mean? So, so that's another good example. There's anyone where you have a really prominently featured dominant. So I don't know. My heart is sad and lonely. For you I cry. For you, dear lonely. I love to be I'm for you, body and soul. So what is it? What did I call it? The tritone double sus. The tritone double sus. A really, really cool Barry move. And again, yeah, let me know what's a good place to use this, Gosh, I want to, Lover. Okay. Lover, Da, 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 da. Oh gosh. So B7. I did B7. Let's try F7. It's kind of weird, but kind of cool. I don't know. I'm trying to think of ideas. And so, yeah, let me know which ones I missed. I'm sure there's only about a billion. Anyway, hope this was useful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Check out my Patreon, and check out the description for all the related videos and the like. And yeah, see you on the comments. All right. Thank you. Bye.